The internet is buzzing with endless possibilities. Millions of people are online right now, engaging in various activities. They're shopping, learning, and connecting with others across the globe. This is where you come in, ready to seize the opportunity. You can make money online by tapping into this massive online world. It's called online marketing, and it's a game changer. It's like opening a shop on a busy street, but your street is the internet, bustling with potential customers. Imagine reaching thousands of potential customers from the comfort of your home. Online marketing makes this possible, breaking down traditional barriers. You don't need a physical store, just a smart strategy and the drive to succeed in this digital landscape. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or simply looking for extra income, online marketing offers a flexible way to earn money. The best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz or have advanced skills. With a bit of guidance and effort, anyone can learn the ropes and succeed. This guide will equip you with simple, actionable steps to start your online marketing journey and thrive. Get ready to unlock your earning potential from the comfort of your couch and watch your efforts pay off. Think of online marketing as a toolbox filled with different tools, each designed to help you achieve specific goals. Each tool helps you reach your customers in a unique way, making your marketing efforts more effective. Let's explore some of these powerful tools and see how they can benefit your business. Affiliate marketing. Imagine getting paid for recommending products you love and trust. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell, a win-win for both you and the company. You partner with a company, promote their product, and earn a commission for every sale you bring in through your unique link. It's like being a brand ambassador, but online, reaching a global audience. Social media marketing. Do you love spending time on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, sharing your thoughts and creativity? Why not turn your social media savvy into a money-making opportunity by promoting brands and products? Social media marketing involves engaging with your audience, building a community of loyal followers, and promoting products or services that resonate with them, creating a meaningful connection. Content marketing. Are you passionate about writing, creating videos, or podcasting and sharing your knowledge? Content marketing is your calling, allowing you to express your creativity. By creating valuable content that educates or entertains your audience, you build trust and authority. You can attract potential customers and establish yourself as an expert in your niche, driving long-term success. Now that you know your tools, it's time to build your online presence. This is an exciting journey where you get to showcase your skills and passions to the world. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started and stay on track. Choose your niche. What are you passionate about? Identify your interests and strengths. What problems can you solve? Think about the unique value you can offer. Your niche could be anything from fitness to fashion to finance. The key is to find something you love and are knowledgeable about. Build your platform. Create a website, blog, or social media profile where you can share your expertise and connect with your audience. This will be your digital home base. Create valuable content. Offer solutions, share insights, and engage your audience with high-quality content. Consistency is key. Think blog posts, videos, infographics, or social media updates. Diversify your content to keep your audience engaged. Promote your content. Spread the word about your awesome content. Use different platforms to reach a broader audience. Share it on social media, engage in online communities, and consider paid advertising to reach a wider audience. The more you promote, the more visibility you gain. Section 4. Crack the Code Tips for Online Success. Online marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Success requires consistency, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Here are some golden rules to guide you. Know your audience. Step into your audience's shoes. What are their needs? What problems keep them up at night? Understanding your audience is key to creating content that resonates. Build relationships. Online marketing is all about building connections. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and foster a sense of community. Track your progress. Numbers don't lie. Use analytics tools to track your website traffic, social media engagement, and sales. This data will help you refine your strategy and make informed decisions. Section 5. Dodge the pitfalls, common mistakes. Even seasoned marketers make mistakes. The key is to learn from them and keep moving forward. Here are some common blunders to avoid. Ignoring your audience. Don't be a faceless brand. Engage with your audience, respond to their comments, and show that you care. Spreading yourself too thin. Trying to be everywhere at once is a recipe for burnout. Focus on a few key platforms where your target audience hangs out. Giving up too soon. Success takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay consistent, track your progress, and be patient. Section 6. Reap the rewards, benefits of online marketing. Embracing online marketing unlocks a world of opportunities. Here's why it's worth your time and effort. Flexibility and freedom. Work from anywhere in the world, set your own hours, and be your own boss. Unlimited earning potential. Your income is directly proportional to your effort and the value you provide. The sky's the limit. Global reach. Break free from geographical limitations. Online marketing allows you to reach a global audience, expanding your customer base exponentially. Section 7. Your online journey starts now. You've learned the basics of online marketing, explored different strategies, and discovered how to avoid common pitfalls. Now it's time to put your knowledge into action. Take that first step. Choose your niche, build your platform, and start creating valuable content. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Embrace the learning process, stay consistent, and watch your online business flourish.